Hi, it's John Leishman from Tursa Group here again. Here's another case study where a client of ours who's in the construction industry was using Buildtopia for their construction management platform. And Buildtopia does not have any APIs or a way to connect the data within Buildtopia to other systems. The only way you can get the data out is by downloading an Excel file. So this particular customer had some custom reporting or dashboarding they wanted to do to keep track of all their different construction projects. And they came to us to ask what we could do. And we used Power Automate, Microsoft Power Automate, and Microsoft BI to create the dashboards they wanted. And so the way this worked was there was 3 custom reports that were built in Buildtopia. We then use Power Automate to go in at 3 in the morning, log in to Buildtopia as this particular user, download the reports, the Excel reports to her local machine. Then Power BI would amalgamate all the data and then extract, transform, and load the data into the dashboard that they were looking for, and then publish that to a certain page in their SharePoint site. And we did this all at 3 in the morning. So when they came in the next day at 6:30 in the morning, the dashboard was there with the latest data from the previous day's information. So it was updated every day. And so the result for this was, here's the steps we took. We didn't charge anything for the client. It's all part of the services that we offer. We always are interested in leveraging technology to help them drive efficiencies within their organization. We don't just do IT support and cybersecurity, which we obviously do that as well. Anyways, the result is we save 2.5 hours per week. That's probably the low end. It's probably higher than that. That's about 125 hours per year saved. This was an executive, so roughly about $5,312 we saved them by putting this in place. And then that person can then spend their that time, like a half an hour to 45 minutes a day, on other higher value activities, analyzing the report, providing recommendations, doing whatever changes they need to do to keep on track of whatever they're trying to keep on track of. So again, like I've mentioned in other videos, business is all about making small incremental improvements sustained over time. So if you did this over a year, you're going to be saving roughly $60,000 a year, or one full-time equivalent. Ballpark, depending on salaries and so on. But again, it's always good to take a look at how data flows through your organization and figure out if there's any options or ways to automate that data entry. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.